everyone, I'm Kenna. Today I will be showing you simple steps to make the perfect smoothie bowl. We're gonna make one of my favorite recipes found in the inspiration guide that comes with your Ninja TWISTi high-speed blender duo, the Peaches and Cream Smoothie Bowl. To start, you'll need almond milk, frozen bananas, frozen peaches, and your sweetener of choice. I've chosen honey. Let's start by installing the hybrid edge blades assembly in the 34-ounce pitcher. The pitcher has gradient marks that take the guesswork out of measuring the right amount of liquids and frozen fruits for either 1 or 2 servings when making smoothie bowls. Pour your almond milk into the pitcher, filling to the liquid fill. Since I'm only making 1 serving, I will fill it to the 8-ounce liquid fill line. If you're doing 2 servings, you can fill it up to the 10-ounce liquid fill line. Now add the frozen bananas, peaches, and sweeteners. Next, we will install the lid on the pitcher, then install the pitcher on the motor base. Make sure you listen for the click sound to ensure the lid and motor base is installed properly. Select Bowl to begin blending. Twist the built-in tamper counterclockwise continuously while processing. You will see that as you twist the tamper, the fruit will be pushed down towards the high-speed blades. To receive the best results, twist the built-in tamper during the entire program time. Once complete, remove the lid from the pitcher after blending by pressing the button on the lid near the handle to unlock. Scoop into a bowl and look at how perfect this smoothie bowl came out. It tastes great and look at how thick the consistency is. No need to worry about it falling off the spoon. If you are interested in making nut butters, smoothie bowls, frozen drinks, and more in the Ninja TWISTi high-speed blender duo, be sure to check out the Kickstarter recipe that includes steps on how to create your own customizable nut butter. Looking for recipe inspirations or have questions? Go and visit us at ninjakitchen.com and join the official Ninja Foodie family community on Facebook.